welcome. As you arrive in this moment, allow yourself to simply be. This is a quiet space, a sanctuary created just for you, away from the demands and distractions of your day. There is no rush here, no task awaiting your completion. This is a time of gentle unfolding, a return to your inner calm. Gently begin to notice your breath, not trying to change it, not forcing it in any way, just observing its natural rhythm. Feel it moving softly in and out, like a calm, unhurried wave returning to the shore. With each inhale, imagine a wave of peace washing over you, and with each exhale, feel any tension, any tightness beginning to recede. Let your breath be soft and easy, a comforting presence that guides you deeper into relaxation. Begin to notice your body. Feel yourself settling into whatever surface is supporting you. Let the weight of your body be fully held. Perhaps your shoulders can drop a little, releasing any burdens they might have carried. Your jaw might loosen, softening the expression on your face. Your hands can relax, unclenching, their fingers gently unfurling. You don't need to try or perform. You are simply allowed to just be. This is your space, your time, your gentle return to peace. You've done enough today, truly. More than enough, even if it doesn't feel that way right now. Whatever tasks you tackled, conversations you had, or challenges you faced, your efforts were real and they mattered. Even if things felt undone or imperfect, allow yourself to acknowledge the energy and time you invested. There's a quiet strength in showing up, even when it's hard, and you did that. Let yourself be acknowledged, not for being flawless, but simply for being you and for navigating the day as best you could. Now, it's time to put down whatever you carried through the day. Imagine, if you will, gently unburdening yourself. Perhaps you picture a backpack filled with the day's worries and you slowly slip it off, setting it beside you. Or maybe you see each thought as a small pebble and you open your hand, allowing them to drop away, one by one. This is your space, and here you are allowed to release the weight. You don't need to hold on to it, revisit it, or try to solve it tonight. There is nothing more you need to figure out tonight, nothing to plan, and certainly nothing to fix. The to-do list, the unanswered questions, the what-ifs, they can all wait patiently until tomorrow. Your only responsibility now is to allow yourself the gift of rest. Just being here, breathing gently, is enough. Let each soft inhale and exhale be a reminder you are safe, you are home within yourself, and you are allowed to rest deeply. This moment is for you, and in this moment you are free. The ancient Stoics, in their profound wisdom, taught us a powerful truth. We are not disturbed by things, but by our judgments about them. Take a moment to let that resonate. This idea brings immense freedom. It means that while you may not control what the world presents to you, the events, the news, the actions of others, you can absolutely control how you meet it. You can choose your response. Tonight, choose to meet this moment with calm. Choose to meet it with stillness. Choose to meet it with softness. Whatever happened today is already in the past. It's behind you now. There's nothing you can do to change it, only how you perceive it. And whatever tomorrow might bring, with its own set of possibilities and challenges, you will meet it when it comes. You will be ready. But that readiness doesn't need to be forged tonight. For now, gracefully return to what is truly yours, what is always within your immediate control. Return to this breath, soft and steady. Return to this body, finding its comfort and weight. Return to this quiet moment, this precious sliver of time that belongs entirely to you. Let your awareness settle here, in this present space where worries have no claim. As you continue to rest, you might notice thoughts arising. This is entirely natural. The mind is designed to think. If a thought tries to pull you away from this peaceful moment, that's perfectly okay. There's no need to judge it, no need to get frustrated, and certainly no need to engage with it. Simply notice it gently, acknowledge its presence, perhaps even offering a silent hello to the thought. Then, imagine letting it pass, just like a leaf floating serenely on a calm stream, or a cloud drifting across the vast blue sky. You don't need to chase after it, to hold on to it, or to resist it. There's no need to analyze it, solve it, or get caught up in its story. Your only task is to observe it, then let it continue on its way. Now bring your gentle attention to your body itself. Begin to imagine a beautiful, warm, and comforting light resting softly just above your head. This light is pure peace, pure relaxation, and it carries a gentle warmth that soothes everything it touches. This warm light slowly, tenderly begins its journey downward. Feel it first touch your forehead, smoothing away any lines of worry, softening the skin. It glides over your eyes, letting them settle deeper into their sockets, releasing any strain from the day's seeing. It quiets your jaw, allowing your mouth to soften, your teeth to gently part, releasing any tension you might unknowingly hold there. The light continues its serene descent. Feel it move down your neck, releasing any stiffness, inviting a sense of ease. It spreads over your shoulders, dissolving any weight or responsibility they've carried, allowing them to drop further, softening. Then it flows gently through your arms, all the way down to your hands and out through your fingertips, carrying away any lingering tension. With each slow, steady breath, the light continues its journey. It spreads down your chest, opening and softening that space. It moves across your back, releasing every muscle, from your upper back down to your lower back, melting away any aches or tightness. It washes over your belly, inviting a soft expansion with each inhale and a gentle release with each exhale. The light continues down your hips, allowing them to grow heavy and relaxed, then flows into your legs, softening your thighs, your knees, your calves, until it reaches your feet and even your toes, wrapping them completely in this profound calm. Your entire body now rests in this enveloping warmth, a blanket of pure peace. With every part of you touched by this soothing light, you can feel the day's last remaining tensions, and worries simply melt away and release. You are bathed in calm, from head to toe. Now, allow your imagination to gently carry you to a place where you feel completely, utterly at peace. This isn't a place you need to find in the real world. It exists perfectly within your mind, tailored precisely to what brings you profound calm. Perhaps this place is a quiet forest path where dappled sunlight filters softly through a canopy of ancient leaves and the air is fresh with the scent of pine and earth. You might hear the gentle rustle of leaves or the distant calming sound of a small stream. Or perhaps it's a serene, calm lake under a vast, star-studded sky, where the water is perfectly still, reflecting the constellations above. There's a cool, gentle breeze, and the only sound is the soft lapping of tiny waves against the shore, or perhaps the hoot of a distant owl. It could be the peaceful hum of wind on a mountain, high above the world, where the air is clear and crisp, and you feel limitless space all around you. Or maybe it's a cozy, warm spot by a crackling fireplace, or a deserted beach where the tide gently whispers. Let this place come vividly alive in your imagination. Feel the air on your skin, its coolness or warmth. Hear the quiet, comforting sounds that belong only to this sanctuary. Sense the ground beneath you, whether it's soft earth, cool sand, or solid rock, supporting you completely. This place holds no urgency, no weight, no demands. You are safe here, cradled by the profound quiet, totally protected, and deeply, wonderfully at ease. Allow yourself to fully inhabit this personal haven of peace. As you rest in your peaceful sanctuary, allow your breath to slow even more. Feel it become softer, deeper, a gentle wave ebbing and flowing within you. There's no effort required, simply allow your body's innate wisdom to guide this gentle rhythm. Each inhale is a quiet renewal, each exhale a deeper surrender. Feel your body grow heavy, yet at the same time feel a sense of lightness and freedom. Heavy, as if you are sinking comfortably into the surface beneath you, fully supported and deeply relaxed. Yet free, as if all burdens have lifted, leaving you unbound and unburdened. This paradox of heavy and free can be deeply comforting, a sign that your body is truly letting go. Let your mind become like still water, clear, undisturbed, reflecting only the vastness above. Imagine the surface of a quiet lake, perfectly calm, without a single ripple. If any thoughts do arise, treat them like gentle ripples that appear and then quickly fade away. Don't hold on to them. Don't judge them. There's no need to follow their path or get caught in their current. Simply return to your center, to the quiet awareness that lies beneath all thoughts and sensations. Again and again, if your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath, back to the feeling of your body, back to your inner sanctuary. You are making a conscious choice to rest, to find peace, to softly surrender to this moment. Each return is a gentle affirmation of your desire for calm. As you drift deeper into this state of calm, take a moment to truly feel this: you are enough. This isn't a statement based on what you accomplished today or what you plan to do tomorrow. It's not about your productivity, your successes, or any external measure. You are enough simply because of who you are, a unique and precious being in this vast universe. You are not defined by noise, by speed, or by constant productivity. In fact, your wholeness, your truest self, often reveals itself most clearly in stillness, especially in stillness. When the external demands quiet down, you reconnect with a deeper, more fundamental aspect of yourself, a part that is always complete, always worthy, regardless of circumstance. The Stoics, again, offer a profound reminder. Our greatest power lies in our response. It's not in what happens to us, but in how we choose to meet it. Tonight, your response is one of profound rest. Your choice is peace. Your action is a soft surrender to the quiet embrace of the night. This isn't weakness, it is a powerful act of self-care and self-respect. You are choosing to honor your need for renewal, to replenish your spirit. There is nothing more to do now. No more thoughts to process, no more worries to unravel, no more efforts to make. You have arrived at this sacred space of profound rest. Allow the night to wrap around you completely, like a soft, comforting blanket that holds you gently and securely. Feel its calm presence surrounding you, inviting you deeper into tranquility. Let your breath continue its gentle rhythm, becoming a soft current that cradles you, effortlessly guiding you into a state of deep, restorative sleep. Each inhale lifts you gently, and each exhale sinks you further into comfort and surrender. Feel yourself becoming lighter, yet simultaneously more deeply rooted in peace. You are held, you are safe, you are ready. All that remains is to let go. Release any lingering attachment to the day, to tomorrow, to anything at all. Just allow yourself to surrender completely to this moment of stillness, knowing that you are cared for, both by your own conscious choice to rest and by the gentle embrace of the night.